Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another Screencast Online tip video. This week I want to introduce you to a very smart companion app to Soulver, the natural language notepad calculator app for the Mac, iPad and iPhone. I previously covered the Mac version of Soulver back in episode 851, which was in 2019, and it's been enhanced significantly since then, but I would still recommend episode 851 to get yourself up to speed on the basics of Soulver. The developers have recently released Soulver Mini, a standalone app that uses the same calculation engine as its big brother, with a Spotlight-style interface you can access from the menu bar or from anywhere in macOS via a global hotkey. Soulver Mini is bundled in with Soulver and is available from the developer's website at soulver.app, via the Mac App Store, or included as part of a Setapp subscription. It's also available as a standalone purchase from Gumtree for just $24. So let's take a look at Soulver Mini. I've installed the Setapp version of Soulver on my Mac. There are a few extra benefits to using the Setapp version. There's some extra features, including a complimentary subscription to some AI services. But this is the basic UI, and the idea behind Soulver is that you can create sheets and save those sheets and have those sheets synchronized between your devices using iCloud. It's pretty straightforward. Just create a new sheet here and then just start typing in your calculation. As I say, it does all sorts of different calculations, simple arithmetic, percentages, unit conversions, currency conversions, date calculations, all sorts. And it's basically just a matter of typing in your calculation to see the result on the right-hand side. So if I go 24 times 23, and you'll see straight away I get the answer of 552. If I hit return, and then if I want to carry on calculating, let's say I want to divide that by something, I just hit divide by 12, and you'll see it takes the answer from the first line and divides that by 12. Let's create a few more lines. Day calculations. How many working days until the 12th of July? Gives me 60 work days. You can do calculations with those as well. Percentages. 20% of 6,357 is 1,271.4. Go down again. Let's do a quick currency conversion. 1 Bitcoin in GBP gives me that value. And if I wanted to know what half of that was, just say divided by 2. Gives me the answer straight away. You can find out more about all the different types of calculations by clicking on this button up here in the top corner. There's a Getting Started guide and some really detailed documentation as well here, but you'll see here basic arithmetic, percentages, unit conversions, calendar calculations, weekdays, time zones, lots and lots and lots of stuff, even video time codes and frames, etc. You can also use variables as well, which is quite neat, but I'm going to go ahead and close that down for now. That just gives you a basic idea of what Soulver can do. Now, the reason behind Soulver Mini is that you mightn't actually want to do a sheet each time. You might just want to do a quick calculation on the fly and then just carry on. You might want to save it to Soulver eventually, but you might just want to do a quick calculation and then move on. And that's where Soulver Mini comes into the equation. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.